In the name of Allah, I am Muhammad Ashraf Bhat, teacher, Government High School, Shanu. I am going to deliver English lecture for class 8th. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You know that we are reading short stories, and it is short story number 4, Rustam and Sorab. We have completed, it is second question, two questions, A part and B part. Now today we are going to do it as C part. Choose the correct options. It is given on page number 107. Choose the correct options. Number first, Prussia is safe as long as Rustam led our soldiers, said Dajesh. There are given four options: the king of Russia, so B, soldiers of Prussia, number C, Sohrab, number D, none of these. So the appropriate option of this sentence is the king of Prussia. Prussia is safe as long as Rustam led our soldiers, said the king of Prussia, is A option. A option is correct answer of this first sentence. Number 2. I do not fight in a single combat with anyone who is of low birth. These words are spoken by. Option is given: A. Rustam, B. Sohrab, C. Kaikous, D. The challenger. So the appropriate option of this appropriate answer of this sentence is the challenger, D. D is the appropriate answer of this, D. Number 3, if you must go, I want to tell you something, said Dajesh. There are four answers given, four options: A. Rustam, B. Kaikous, C. Tanima, D. Sohrab. The appropriate answer of this sentence option is C. Tanima. If you must go, I want to tell you something, said Tanima. Number 4. Who is so rash and thoughtless that he thinks he can attack Prussia? Asked Dajesh. Four options are given: A. Sohrab, B. Kaikous, C. Rustam, D. General, the general. The appropriate option, correct option of this sentence is Rustam. Who is so rash and thoughtless that he thinks he can attack Prussia? Asked Rustam. Go C. This means that the C is appropriate answer of this question. Number 5. Carry me to your home and bury me there. These words are spoken by. Option is given, four options: A. Sohrab, B. Rustam, C. A soldier, D. Kaikous. No, the appropriate answer option of this question is C. A. Sohrab. Carry me to your home and bury me there. These words are spoken by Sohrab. A is appropriate answer of this question. Now the part D. Match the words in column A with the explanation as given in column B. Column A, the words given in column A are war cry, challenger, arts of war, champion, swordmanship, separate, terror, collapse, amazed, ambition. And on column B, these are the words are given: skill in the use of sword, great fear, quality of courage and vigor, extremely surprised, hold tightly, a strong desire for success, power or wealth, one who fights for or defends some other person, a word or cry shouted in battle, one who calls someone to fight, skill in use of weapons and in fighting. And I will give the appropriate answer. I will match them. I have matched them. I will show you the video on which I have matched them. Now D. I will show you the video D. Match the words in column A with the explanations given in column B. In column A, war cry. War cry, a word or cry shouted in battle. War cry is a word or cry shouted in battle. Challenger, one who calls someone to fight. Arts of war, skills in use of weapons and in fighting. champion, one who fights for or defends some other person. Swordmanship, skill in the use of sword. Spirit, quality of courage and vigor. Terror, great fear. Clasp, hold tightly. Amazed, extremely surprised. Ambition, a strong desire for success, power, or wealth. So, this was the answer of this D part. Now, uh, it is now language work, and we will do the language work tomorrow, inshallah. And it is enough for today. I hope you will write these words which I have showed you through the video today. I hope that you will write down it on your notebooks and will prepare for the examination. Inshallah, tomorrow we will go ahead. Thank you. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.